So I believe that this video is actually dropping on Thanksgiving Day. So if you guys are watching on Thanksgiving, then just wanted to let you guys know, as the Untitled Hana, I wanted to give my thanks to you guys and just say I'm really appreciative of you guys coming through and watching all the videos and whatnot. So thank you guys for what you guys do to support this channel. Really means a lot to me, guys. And happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys enjoy your time with your family. Hope you guys enjoy the day and this long weekend, man. And speaking of the long weekend, guys, Black Friday is actually approaching tomorrow. If today's Thanksgiving when you guys are watching this, Black Friday obviously is the biggest shopping day of the year. It is definitely the time to buy because there's so much savings and there's so much deals that you guys can get. And that is why I want to let you guys know that the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black, is actually having a huge sale for a lot of their pieces on Black Friday, guys. Now, not only will you be getting 30% off your order, but if you use the code Black Friday, I believe it's all in one word, Black Friday, you will get an additional 10% off plus free shipping. So that comes out to 40% off and free shipping, which is very good, man. If there's ever a time to cop hype jewelry, this is the time, guys. Like 40% off is no joke. That's great savings. And you guys can see right here, I'm actually wearing a rose gold and black piece, which is the grenade necklace, but the one that I usually have is like the black one, but I actually just caught this one recently, which is like a rose gold color version. And I think this one actually matches a lot better with like a lot of like black t-shirts and stuff because it gives it a little bit more pop. So that's something you guys could cop on Black Friday if you guys are interested. Check that out, man. Link is in the description below. Anyway, if you guys are interested to see what we are unboxing today, then stay tuned. That will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about two shoes that will be worth thousands very soon. I've noticed that a lot of people have been sleeping on the quality of these shoes, and I think a lot of people are starting to wake up in a sense because the prices have been rising steadily, and I think very shortly it will be worth thousands. Now, what shoes are we actually talking about? Let me open one of them up and I'll show you guys what we're looking at today. So right here, we have a Nike Air Force 1 box, guys. And the sneaker that we actually have is a pair of these right here, which are the What the NYCs. Now I want you guys to take a really good look at this shoe. So check this out over here, man. What the NYCs Air Force 1 lows. And you guys can see that New York branding over here. And that What the Look, which is a whole bunch of different like patchwork on here, different materials being used, and a lot of different colors. As you guys can see, it's a very unique looking sneaker, and the color palette chosen is actually representative of the city that it's representing, which is New York. So all of these colors are actually focused on New York sports teams. That orange for the Mets, blue for the Yankees. We got the Giants colors over here. The Jets, I guess. That's a New York team, right? I don't know, man. Sorry to Jets fans, I'm just messing around. Anyway, that is what we're looking at over here. And as you guys saw, the quality and the materials on this thing are just insane, and it makes for a really good looking shoe. Not to mention from the fact that if you guys are from New York, this is pretty much a must cop, dude. Like very intricate design, and you're repping your city, which is really cool. Now this shoe actually retails for $130, which is the average price for Air Force 1 lows. In sizes 10.5 and up, these are actually going for about $260 to $300 right now. But for the money sizes, which are like 8 to 9.5, they're actually going for $450 right now, which is like a 4 times increase on the retail price. But you know, I don't think it's gonna stop there, guys. Like, I've been watching these prices just steadily rise over time. In a matter of days, these actually jumped up a couple $100. Like on the first opening day, like after release, you could have copped these in the money sizes for like 300 something. Now they're already going for like mid 400s, which is a big increase actually if you look at like when the shoe was released, which was just a couple weeks ago, and the price of what it is now. And I think it's because a lot of people are starting to realize like this is gonna be a money sneaker, guys. Like not only is the quality on point, but it just is a very solid shoe, and the supply was actually pretty low. So that is one of the shoes that we're looking at today. If you guys know your sneakers, you guys can probably guess what the second shoe is. Because the second shoe over here is also in an Air Force 1 low box, and this one is actually the NYC's counterpart, which would be the What the LAs. Now this one, I think, guys, is a lot better looking than NYC's. No disrespect to the Ohana out in New York, but man, this one goes hard. You guys can see just like that New York, it has Los Angeles branding over here. And the color palette again is representative of LA sports teams, with the most standout colors being that purple and gold for the Lakers, obviously. And actually over here, this has glow in the dark features, which is pretty dope as well. And you guys can see it, the materials are once again very solid. And now the What the LAs are actually going for a lot higher prices than the What the NYCs, because for these, In the sizes 10.5 plus, they're going for about $400 or so. And in the money sizes, which again would be 8 to 9.5, they're actually going for $550 and up. So that's about $100 more than the What the NYCs. These have been exploding in value though, because I actually caught this one at resale for $280 or something like that, and the next day it went up to $400. So that is already a huge price increase, guys. And like you guys saw, this is an amazing sneaker. The more people see this, the more people will realize, like, I need to cop this. But it might be too late by then because the prices are just gonna keep rising. Now, when you guys think of what do you guys think of first? It would probably be the What the Dunk SBs, which are going for $7,000 plus. Like, those are the most iconic What Does, and most of those sneakers in the What the line actually have decent resale value. Now, I'm not saying that this one is going to end up being like a What the Dunk. I am saying though that because it's on an Air Force One low silhouette, and because the color scheme and the fact that it's an LA representative shoe and also the NYC shoe, I think that both of those factors will factor into the resale value of these things. So if you guys have not copped yet, my suggestion would be to cop now. Like, you don't see good quality craftsmanship and uniqueness in sneakers as well as these What the lines. So I think that this is a good value to pick up now, even though they're at resale. So that is my suggestion to you guys, and I hope you guys picked up your own pairs already because they're rising every single day. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys and show you my perspective on these sneakers. However, it's not only about resale, guys. These are just really nice sneakers, and if you guys are from LA or New York, or you just mess with the shoe, these are a must cop. No joke, these are personal pairs for myself. Very happy with what I see here, man. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!